Hi, I'm Norman Burt, Principal Sales Engineer with Telestream, and today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that you can do with the post-producer component of Vantage. So post-producer is a super powerful component that allows you to put a lot of different pieces of content together, assemble them in whatever way you want, put different kind of graphics or things over top of it. But what we have here at the show floor to kind of give you a quick idea of how that would work is we've created a few fictional sports teams, and we're going to create some promos to talk about or to show off that these sports teams are playing, let's say, tomorrow at 7. Something that an editor would have to take a lot of time in an edit suite creating a bunch of different versions for all the different combinations. What we're doing is we're just starting with something that's like a basic Excel sheet where we just have a couple columns, Team 1 and Team 2, and we'll just go through here and fill out the team names in there. We submit it to Vantage via a CSV work order action, and what we're doing within this workflow here is post-producer picks that up, takes those values, and it replaces them as needed with the different teams. And so with just that simple submission, we're able to create different promos like this. So what you'll see here in just a minute is here's one of the team logos flying in. In just a second, we'll see the other team's logo fly in. And then at the very end of this clip, we have kind of an end card that shows up that's going to have both of those teams' logos again, along with their titles, and then tonight at 7. So what's great about this is that one XML submission created this particular one with these two teams, but we're also able to, like I mentioned, create multiple different versions of that same promo at the same time. So now here's that same promo, but with two different teams in here, all created from one submission. In addition to being able to replace the different graphics or different video elements within here in post-producer, you can also change things like voiceover. So you could have a different announcer saying the different teams' names, and that could be overlaid in here as well at the same time for creating these promos. So hopefully you can see it saves a lot of time for being able to do things like promo creation here. I want to thank you for watching. My name has been Norman Burt, and please come visit us at the West Hall 1501.
All right, hello there. This is Sean Boeni from Telestream, Director of Professional Services. I want to show you an overview of how our products really work well with each other and some cool features for some existing products. What we see here is our live scheduler, part of the capture solution. And we have a cool demo where we can show how we can look at a recording while it's still growing. And we see the picture of a booth here in real time. And we can change the quality. That's a feature of our GLIM player. And we can change it to an even better quality. You will see in a second it will change to the high bitrate version of this video. Now you see, and we will now add some in and some out points to create a small clip. You can see on the yellow bar at the bottom, and this clip can be put in our timeline. So I will now put in the timeline. And what we're going to do now is we will send this clip to our post-producer solution, which is part of Vantage. And with post-producer, we will be able to create a small highlight clip with this, and we will also be able to upload directly to YouTube. So once we submit this video to our Vantage product, it will ask you for a few things that we want to populate and create graphics for. So I will just put some stuff here in for NAB 2025 for our score, and then we have a lower text, say, day 2 is fun, and we will add a graphic, we will add a bumper clip, a trailer clip, and we can choose different graphics that we prepared. Obviously, we use the NAB graphic for today. And we can activate the YouTube delivery upload. The YouTube delivery is a feature that you will get for free if you're still on a maintenance and support contract. It's a new feature that we will give to the customers And it will automate a few things. We can add text to this, we can select the category within YouTube, and we can select whether it's private or not. Once we submit it, this will go to a Vantage workflow where our post-producer action will put all the bits and pieces together and create the nice output. And here's a quick view of the workflow. It's already running. We can see the confirm action part of post-producer putting everything together. And I can show you an example that I just run a second before while this is running. So here we take a look at our YouTube page. And in here we have all the videos that we just recently uploaded. And here is the video for day 2. We see a thumbnail and we can see all the information that we put in, description. And this is a nice overview that ties everything together from our capture product, our scheduler product, our post-producer product that does all the heavy lifting of putting together the cool content. And as you can see here in YouTube, we can play it back. It has a trailer, a bumper, it has a nice text overlay, all burnt in with post-producer. And if you want to be in this picture today, tomorrow, stop by. Telestream is at the West Hall in booth 1501. Thank you.